Hi guys, we have here the SanDisk Ultra SDXC SD card, the 128 gig size. Want to give you guys a look at this product. If you're looking to purchase this, please visit the link in the description or in the video as well. This is 128 gig size, as you can see here. Want to give you guys a look at the packaging for those who are wondering. This is the biggest size you can get in the SD cards. That's what it looks like on the back here from SanDisk. It does have different ranges, as you can see here. Capacity 128 gigs, 16 megapixels per photo, video. So it's a great quality, higher end quality SanDisk drive. You can purchase this online or in stores, but if you're looking to purchase this, you can visit the link in the description below. Let's go ahead and open this up, give you guys a look closely at the inside of this. Rip that open. And there you go, you basically have that. And you open the packaging, tear that apart. Yeah, nothing else in there, it's just garbage, discard that. And you got this. Let's open that up and see if I need scissors or not. Looks like I'll need some scissors. Well, I guess I need some scissors, but basically there you go. That's the SD card on the back there, and that is the Ultra SanDisk, as you can see here. It's a great quality product. Can't go wrong, especially for those who need lots of space. 128 gigabytes for your cameras or anything of that nature. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.